Imagine turning your morning coffee into your biggest paycheck yet. But what if I told you 90% are missing out by ignoring this simple trick in affiliate marketing? Stay tuned to unlock the secret that could change everything. There are two types of mindsets that can dramatically influence your life: the growth mindset and the fixed mindset. In a fixed mindset, people believe their basic qualities, like their intelligence or talent, are simply fixed traits. They spend their time documenting their intelligence or talent instead of developing them. They also believe that talent alone, without effort, should lead to success. But is that really how success is achieved? On the flip side, we have the growth mindset. This is where the magic happens. Individuals with a growth mindset understand that their talents and abilities can be developed through hard work, good strategies, and input from others. They don't see failures as a reflection of their abilities, but rather as a valuable opportunity for growth. They thrive on challenges and see setbacks as a necessary part of the learning process. Now, why does this matter? Because with a growth mindset, every obstacle is an opportunity, every effort is a path to mastery, and feedback is the golden ticket to improvement. The beauty of a growth mindset lies in the belief that you can improve, that effort matters, and that your actions can significantly impact your success. What do you think holds you back more, your actual limitations or the way you think about your abilities? What if I told you there's a way to set goals that not only guide you to your destination, but also make the journey enjoyable? Take achieving a certain income threshold, for example. The secret ingredient: breaking it down into smaller, bite-sized tasks. If your goal is to increase your income by 20% in the next year, start by analyzing your current income sources. Identify which ones can be scaled and brainstorm new potential income streams. Maybe it's taking on an extra freelance project each month or launching an online course. How do we ensure results? By tracking progress. Establish check-ins on your calendar at regular intervals. This isn't about grading your efforts, but adjusting your sails. Maybe you need to tweak your strategy or inject fresh ideas. Now, I want you to think about your own goals. Are they clear, measurable, and broken down into actionable steps? What's one small step you can take today towards your goal? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you're working on. Celebrating small wins might sound simple, but it's a game changer in the long run for staying motivated and building momentum. Imagine this: you just made your first affiliate sale or noticed a slight uptick in your website traffic. It might not seem like a big deal in the grand scheme of things, but it's actually a huge win. Why? Because every big achievement is just a series of small victories stacked together. Think of it as adding fuel to your motivational fire. Every time you acknowledge and celebrate these moments, you're reinforcing your drive and commitment to your goals. Our brains are wired to love progress. Each time you celebrate a small success, you release dopamine, that feel-good neurotransmitter that makes you want to take more action and keep pushing forward. It's like telling your brain, hey, this feels great, let's do more of this. This biochemical reaction is crucial for developing habits and routines that inch you closer to your larger goals. Acknowledging small wins helps in setting a positive tone for your entire entrepreneurial or creative journey. It's easy to get lost in the pursuit of major milestones and overlook the progress you're making every day. By taking a moment to recognize these smaller achievements, you shift your focus from what's lacking to what's flourishing, creating a mindset of abundance and success. Celebrating small wins creates a ripple effect. When you share your achievements with your community, no matter how minor, it not only boosts your confidence, but also inspires others to pursue their goals with vigor. It fosters a culture of positivity and progress, encouraging everyone to strive for their own version of success. What's a small win you've experienced recently, and how did it make you feel? Drop your stories in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Navigating through setbacks, especially in the fast-paced world of affiliate marketing, can feel like trying to sail through stormy seas. But what if I told you that every setback is actually a treasure trove of insights waiting to be uncovered? Think of each setback as a mystery to solve, offering clues on how to pivot and adapt your strategies for future success. Start by dissecting the campaign from start to finish. Ask yourself, what exactly happened here? Break it down into actionable parts: target audience, chosen platforms, content used, and the call to action. It's often in the fine details that the devil lurks. For instance, was the message aligned with the audience's needs and desires? Was the platform chosen the best medium to reach your intended demographic? These questions can shine a light on misalignments. Then gather data. Data is your best friend in understanding the why behind the what. Analyze engagement metrics, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Compare them against previous campaigns that were successful. This comparison can reveal patterns and pinpoint where the campaign began to veer off course. Use these insights to pivot your strategy. Learning from setbacks is about flexibility and innovation. Perhaps the data shows your audience prefers video content over written content, or maybe it highlights a platform where your audience is more active. Use this data to tailor your next campaign, making informed decisions that increase the likelihood of success. Lastly, remember, setbacks are not the end, but the beginning of a learning curve. Each campaign offers a unique opportunity to refine your strategies, making you more adept at navigating the complex web of affiliate marketing. Now, I'm curious, have any of you experienced a setback in your marketing efforts? How did you pivot, and what was the outcome? Share your stories in the comments below. Imagine you're on a journey through the vast world of affiliate marketing, a realm where sharing knowledge and experiences not only elevates your own strategies, but also helps others overcome their hurdles. You're not alone on this quest. There are countless others just like you navigating the intricate landscape of affiliate marketing, from seasoned veterans to beginners just dipping their toes into the water. Think about the power of community. Online forums like Reddit's affiliate marketing communities and niche-specific Facebook groups are bustling hubs where minds converge, questions spark discussions, and answers foster growth. But why does engaging with these communities make such a difference? Because learning in isolation only takes you so far. The real magic happens when we exchange ideas, challenges, and success stories. It's like piecing together a giant puzzle. Each contribution adds a piece, revealing a bigger picture of what success in affiliate marketing looks like. These communities are also amazing for staying ahead of the curve. Marketing trends evolve at lightning speed, and what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. By staying connected, you gain insights into emerging trends and algorithm changes, ensuring your strategies remain on the cutting edge. Imagine having a network of allies, a place where you can ask your burning questions at 2 a.m. and by breakfast have a slew of answers waiting for you. That's the power of engaging with online communities. What could be the impact on your affiliate marketing efforts if you shared a challenge you're currently facing with one of these communities? What insights and solutions could emerge from that shared knowledge pool? In the world of affiliate marketing, where every click can lead to a new discovery, there's an underappreciated goldmine that could dramatically enhance your strategies and results. I'm talking about affiliate marketing conferences and webinars. Now you might wonder, why attend these events when I have all the information I need online? Well, imagine stepping into a room, virtual or not, filled with the brightest minds in affiliate marketing. Picture yourself rubbing shoulders with top performers, the ones who've mastered the art of turning clicks into cash flows. It's not just about the opportunity to network. It's about immersing yourself in an environment dedicated to growth, innovation, and success. Affiliate marketing conferences and webinars are not just events. They're experiences designed to elevate your skills, knowledge, and connections. Through these platforms, you gain access to exclusive insights that aren't available anywhere else. Think about it: successful marketers sharing their secrets, not just the victories, but the failures that taught them invaluable lessons. Each session you attend acts as a puzzle piece, gradually forming a clearer, more comprehensive strategy that you can apply to your ventures. But it's not all about listening and learning, it's also about engaging. Imagine having the chance to ask the burning questions and receive direct feedback from those who've been in your shoes, faced the challenges you're facing, and conquered them. These interactions can spark new ideas, refine your strategies, and even lead to collaborations that can propel your affiliate marketing efforts to new heights. What if attending one webinar or conference could unlock the idea that doubles or even triples your affiliate marketing success? What barriers could you break with the right knowledge and connections?